Hi! In this video, we're tackling the essential steps for using the SmartMirror system. We'll be covering turning the system on, accessing the interface, entering provider and patient details, turning the mirror on, editing treatment records, turning the mirror off, and mirror maintenance. To turn the system on, briefly press the power button on the front of the Edge computer. Place 2 streamers in the Edge for charging. Click the shortcut on your desktop to open the user interface. Then verify your internet connection. Enter provider details here and the patient ID here. The mirror consists of 2 parts, the streamer and the head. To turn the mirror on, gently insert the streamer into the mirror head. Be sure the streamer's flat end is facing the back side of the head. Before disconnecting the mirror, revisions can be made to the data, such as changing the tooth number or treatment. To disconnect the mirror, gently separate the streamer from the head. Now you can charge the streamer and clean the head according to the instructions. Now let's talk about caring for your mirror. We'll start with the streamer. The streamer can be disinfected and cleaned using disinfectant wipes. It's very important that you don't wipe the USB-C connector, place the streamer in the autoclave, or immerse it in any liquid. To charge the streamer, place it in the Edge. Be sure that the battery indication is detected on the interface. Make sure that the flat side of the streamer is facing the front of the Edge. Now let's go over caring for the head. Included with your head is a sterilization cap and lubricant. Before cleaning, make sure to lightly lubricate the sterilization cap O-rings using the enclosed lubricant. Then gently insert the sterilization cap into the head. Be sure that it's fully inserted. The head can be cleaned using any common dental practices, such as autoclaving or cold sterilization. Autoclave at 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Be sure to never immerse in an ultrasonic bath.